Hello everyone, it's Nutan Deep and welcome to my channel. So today I want to tell you about that if you are trying to speak English but you afraid of making mistakes and you decide not to speak, not to take your call to talk in English. If you do so, then definitely that's your fault. But I'm not saying that you need to be perfect because perfection is overrated and everyone makes mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes, so I'm not going to them. Okay, I'm just talking about myself and talking to you. Even I make mistakes lots of times. So see, making mistakes is not a big thing. How seriously you are taking it, that's a big thing. Let's say if you are in a meeting and you have to discuss about a presentation in English, but you are in a fix. You are having that fear of getting stuck and making mistakes. So you decide not to talk and remain calm and silent. So here, who is losing? Definitely you are losing. And who is winning? Everyone else is. So I would say you should not feed that monster sitting back in your mind and keeping on commenting, taunting, like you made a mistake, you forgot the exact word, that was not good one. So these sort of things. So I would say you should just grab the guts, the courage and talk in English. At least try. Try to talk in English. And I know how it feels and what it's like because I also judge myself all the time. I listen myself from outside saying that I did this mistake. I should not use this word. I pronounce this word incorrectly. I take a long pause. This sort of things I keep on thinking inwardly. So I would say these things are like futile, like useless. So we should always just concentrate towards speaking and practicing. Okay. So I would say one more thing. If I had let this control me, affect me, I would have never had a YouTube channel. I would have never made so many videos teaching you. So I don't care about mistakes because I do mistakes while speaking and I don't care about those mistakes. I just keep on speaking and keep on teaching because everyone does mistakes. So it's just a part of learning and speaking English. So uh, one thing I just add up here, which is people should be more interested in what you have to say than in your mistakes that you are making. Okay, so say yes to your practicing, say yes, have that grab to speak English, say yes to have that guts and courage. Okay, so for today I'll take your leave. Thank you.